Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to build a simple Windows PC cleanup tool using ChatGPT and Notepad without advanced coding. We will create the applications step by step using prompt. First open ChatGPT. Now we'll use prompt to generate our applications. So here type the prompt, press enter after typing this prompt, and here it is started the generation of the program. Let's see the preview. So this creates the basic structure of our Windows application. Now let's add more cleanup features. Type this prompt again. Let's press enter. Now ChatGPT is adding more useful Windows cleanup tools in to the application. It is started the generation of the coding. Let's see the preview by clicking here. So you can see here it has added more cleanup shortcuts. Now let's add the buttons for empty the recycle bin also. So type here, add this command, add a button. Let's press enter. Now again, let's see the preview. You can see here one more button for empty recycle bin is also added. Now copy the generated code by clicking on this code icon and click copy, minimize the browser. Now let's open Notepad. Paste the generated code into the Notepad and go to file and save as. Select the location where you want to save this application. So I select desktop, and here you type PC cleanup dot html, and under select save as type, select all files, click on save. Now let's see our final application. So here is the application just I have created. Now let's open it. Let's run the buttons or click on the button. So it is also working. Now click on temp folder. So this is also working. Now let's open disk cleanup. So here you can see here a pop-up showing disk cleanup. So close it. Now try this one. So as you can see here, it is showing or opened cleanup system cleanup setting. Now let's empty recycle bin. So here you can see the pop-up message saying recycle bin cleanup command executed. Press OK. As you can see here, the extra white space is showing towards the right side of the program window. So let's fix it. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt again. Set a fix prototyping this prompt. Press enter. It has started the generation of new code. Let's wait for it to complete. Now let's see the preview first and copy code. Let's paste it again in the Notepad by remove the previous code and paste the new code here again, and go to file and click save as. Under desktop, click save as type all files and click save. Make the file name as it is. Click save and replace the existing application with the new one. Press yes. Now let's open our new updated application. So you can see here it is now opening in small window. And all our buttons and functions are working properly. That's how you can build a simple Windows PC cleanup tools using ChatGPT and HTA without advanced coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows and AI tutorials.